Hello, are you a poultry farmer looking to cut costs and boost productivity? Please discover the secret of formulating high quality feed with domestic and low cost ingredients through my online poultry feed training. Here are what you are going to learn. 1. Cost savings. 2. Improved health. 3. Enhanced growth and productivity. 4. High profit margin. 5. Sustainability. 6. Customization of your poultry feed. 7. Independence on your poultry feed. 8. Quality assurance. 9. Adaptability. And 10. You're going to empower yourself with a great knowledge on how to get your own feed done at a very cheap rate. If you need this particular training, it is not free. Please drop your comment. I am ready on the comment section and I will take it up from there. This training is going to make you a good poultry farmer with high productivity and high profit. Are you a poultry farmer looking to cut costs and boost productivity? Discover the secret to formulating high quality poultry feed with domestic and low cost ingredients through my online training on feed production. This training centers on using available local materials, most especially kitchen waste, domestic waste, to produce a very good, sound, high quality poultry feed without compromising quality. This particular training will guide you on how to make use of the available raw materials. All those things you throw away, all those things you don't even value within your domestic waste can be converted to poultry feed. That is why most of the bush animals grow fatter and bigger, because they know what they eat and what they need at every time. God gave them the instinct to discover their feed at every time. So as a poultry farmer, if you want to grow in this particular industry, you must know how to produce your own feed. Knowing how to produce your own feed, you need to know the nutritional value of every poultry and livestock raw materials. That will guide you on how to use them to produce a very good feed at a very low cost. You are complaining that the cost of feeding your poultry or livestock animals are very expensive, but because you don't know what to feed them with and the value of all those things you throw away. In this particular training, you are going to slash your feed expenses by up to 50% at the end. You are going to ensure optimal nutrition for healthier and more resilient birds. You are going to achieve faster growth rate and higher weight within a short period of time. You are going to use locally sourced ingredients for a sustainable farming practices. You are also going to tailor your feed formula to meet the specific needs of your flock at every time. You are going to gain control over feed supply and at the same time reduce dependency on commercial feed. You are also going to ensure that your feed quality and safety are very good and better for poultry bird performance. You are also going to learn and at the same time adjust your feed formula based on ingredients, availability, and prices. You are going to empower yourself with the skills and the knowledge to strive in the poultry industry. Don't miss this training. If you are interested, please drop your comment that you are interested on the comment section. I will take it up from there. At the end of this training, you are going to be a real poultry farmer because 1, you are going to produce your own feed at a very low cost. 2, all those waste from the kitchen, you're going to convert them to useful feed raw materials and viable one that will give you a maximum result within a short period of time. Don't miss this and make sure you participate. Thank you. I will see you on the training ground. Bye for now.